So guys, let's move to the calculated field functions one by one. Okay. First we'll go to very basic and simple calculated fields. Okay. And later we'll go to remaining things. Okay. Let's create one custom report guys. Create custom report. Okay. Calculated fields version 1. Let's take the advanced report. Okay. It's okay. You can take any data source. I'm taking the all active and terminated workers just for your easy reference. Okay. So I just selected the a couple of information company, employee ID, okay, full name, hire date and gender. Now we'll create the calculated fields one by one. Okay. So I'm going to create the calculated fields as a private one most of the times. Okay. Why? Because if I create as the public, it is not possible to see in one place, correct? Because every calculated field you created, if you want to view also, you always go to the search, okay, or maybe all calculated field report task. But if you created any private one, all will be available at one report level. Maybe when you are doing any practice, right, you can also easily refer my examples, correct? So better I will go ahead and create the private calculated fields because both are same functionality wise. Only use case is different, correct? Yeah, go to reports action, calculated field for report, and go to maintain section, right click, see new tab. Okay. Here you can see all your private calculated field in one place. So in case if you are practicing something, if you have any doubts, you can always come to my report and you can verify the details, correct or not, to get clarifications. Okay. Yeah. Just add a new. So let's go to a very small calculated fields first. Okay. Yeah, let's go to format first. Okay, let's go to the format first. Or let's go to constant then. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to first date constant. Date constant. RR underscore 128 underscore CF. CF stands for calculated fields. Okay, what function we are using date constant? Na? I'm taking the same name just for your reference, easy reference. Okay. A date constant. So this function will help us to, if you want to select any specific hard coded date in your report out, we can use the a date constant. Okay. So as part of this date constant, we have three options are available. You are looking only for date, you can choose the first option. In case if you want to display the date and time, you can choose the second option. In case if you are looking for day to time plus time zone. Time zone means IST Indian Standard Time or GMT. C PST Pacific Time, correct? Uh, C United Kingdom, correct, or not? UK time. Central Time. C Central Europe. So we have a different time zones are available. Maybe 99% we are looking for only hardcode date. Then we can use this. For example, we would like to display the 0101 2010 by output. The 1st of January 2010 we are looking to generate the output by. Okay? Yes, I'm selecting the 0101 2010. Mhm. Now you just created the this date constant. Have you used anywhere? No. So until unless it is available for deletion also, once this calculated field used somewhere, it is not possible to delete. Okay, be careful. Go to a custom report and edit. Go to this calculated field for report section. You can see all your private calculated field. Just copy and paste it. Okay. Okay. See, a 1st of January 2010, the hardcode date is also coming as one report output column. Okay. Yeah. If you want to display any particular hard-coded data as a report output column, in such cases, we would like to use the date constant. Okay. Okay. Next, numeric constant. Okay. The next is numeric constant. If you want to take any hard-coded number, and numeric is nothing but number. Okay. Numeric is nothing but a number. Numeric constant is nothing but number constant, guys. Okay. How you displayed as a hard-coded date using the date constant. Similarly, if you want to display any specific hard-code number, we can use the a numeric constant. See, no? I would like to display one specific hard-coded number with the decimal sign. Okay, click on. Okay, see, number with the decimals, correct? Yeah. So this is the a numeric constant. Any specific number you want to display as part of your output, correct? We can use the numeric constant. This one, right? Numeric constant. Either you can copy paste it or you can select the drop down. Okay. You can see the specific number, whatever the number you hard coded at the calculated field level. So that will come in as a output column here. Correct or not? Perfect. The next one is a text constant. What is the next one? Text constant. RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore text constant. So how you date constant, numeric constant, text constant. If you want to take any text value as hard coded, we can use a text constant. Okay, any kind of text. Okay, you want to display as your report out, we can use the text constant. Okay, for example, I want to display RR underscore 128 something. RR underscore 128. Any kind of text you want to display as a output column. Okay, those text we can use the text constant function. The hard coded text you can select here, and this you can utilize in your report output. Okay, go to custom report and edit. Okay, text constant, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm also selecting the total annual base pay as well. Okay, I'm selecting the salary details also. Okay, yeah. Now let's run this report, and now you can see the hard coded text in your report output column. Correct, Anand? Perfect. Very simple. Any specific date you want to, any specific hard coded date you want to display output, we can use a date constant. Any specific hard coded number you want to display as an output column, we can use a numeric constant. Similarly, any hard coded text you want to display your report output column, we can use text constant. Text constant. Okay, guys? Perfect. The next one is, let's go to next simple things, formats. Let's go to format date. I think we already had a discussion yesterday, correct? Yeah. If you want to arrange the any specific date format, we can use the format date calculated fee. Okay. For example, you take the hire date, or you take the employee date of birth, you take the employee promotion date, transfer date, okay, any type of termination date, okay, benefit election date, any specific date value you are looking for, any specific format, we may use the format date calculated field, okay, RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore, yeah, format date. For example, in this report, we have a hire date. Okay. So I want to take this hire date as a safe source field of my format date calculated field, and I would like to arrange the specific date for example, okay, the source field is hire date. You can see what format business is looking for. They are looking only for a year. Let's go to custom report and edit. Please go to next hire date. Okay, you can add the go to calculated fields for report, and you can see date format. See now format. Let's run this report, and you can see here what format you are looking. Yeah, what format you selected here. You selected here. Correct or not? Only here it is coming. Correct or not? Perfect. In case if you are looking for year hyphen quarter, then the report can pull the year hyphen quarter. Correct or not? January is in which quarter? First quarter. You can see descending order. You will get which quarter. November is in which quarter? Q4. Correct or not? Like this. Hope you understand how the format is coming now. Yeah. So, like what exactly the specific date format you are looking for, you can choose all the options. You are looking for only year or only quarter or month or a day or day of week, correct? Year hyphen quarter, year hyphen month, year month to date, quarter year, correct? Month year, month day. You can see the complete formats are available and you are looking for a specific format. In case you are looking for the specific format, for example, month to day to year, do you see anywhere that option is available month to day to year? No, right? Any existing formats you can choose directly, no issues. And you are looking for the specific format which is not available, so that you can able to arrange it by using the format mask option. Using the format mask. So this is your own customization formula. Whatever workday delivered options are available, if you are satisfied with the options, you can select it. If not, you are looking for altogether separate format which is not available in the options. Let's go with the format mask option and just move the cursor in the box. You will get the formula. See, starting valid values, small y is nothing but year. Example, if you write small y 08, if you write 4y 2008 it will come. Correct or not? Capital M means month in year. Capital D means day in year. Small d means day in month. Correct or not? So they have given the very clear example. They also given the for example syntax also. Okay? You read the instructions carefully, you can write the formula correctly. Okay? Yeah. So DD, small dd, right? D, date in month. If you give the capital D, day in year. But we are looking for day in month. DD or maybe DD, YYY. This is what a business looking for. Okay? Click on OK. Now go back to the report and run the report and see the result. It's coming, right? Earlier it was the delivered field is coming day to month to year, but business looking for month, year, date. Yes, we arranged it. We arranged it. Okay, guys? Perfect. So you can see, so generally for your better clarification, I'm keeping both the fields next to each other. If you go to real time, we will delete this field and this field we will name it as a hire date. We just overwrite it as a hire date. Okay? Just for your understanding, I'm keeping both the fields next to each other. Okay, perfect. So this is the format date. So very simple, whatever options which are available, if you are really comfortable, you can choose those options. Okay, and you are looking for the specific format option which is not available. We don't want to, we don't want to struggle anything. We just directly go to the format mask. We can use the format mask. You can write your own formula. What exactly the specific format you are looking for. Okay, perfect. The next one is format number. The next one is format number, guys. Okay, I think you can see very good example. The delivered field is coming proper number format, correct? And with the two decimals and every 100,000 million separated with comma. But your numeric constant, is it really proper number format? I could see four decimals and I don't see any comma separation. Sorry, comma separation. So this is not a proper look and feel, correct? I would like to arrange the proper number format. In such cases, we can use the format number. We can use the format number. See, what is your source field here? Numeric constant. Your calculated field only. And what format you are looking for, you can choose. I'm looking for the two decimals and every 100 is separated with comma. Correct or not? Yeah, choose this option. That's it. Go to custom report and edit. Please add next to the numeric constant. Okay. Let's run this report and see a proper number format. Correct or not? I could see the two decimals and I can see the every 100,000 million separated with the comma. Okay, guys? Yeah. Anybody can guess or anybody can speak out the format number calculated field is really required. Is it really required,
No,
guys?
sir. No, sir.
Why?
We
Because
can
in the
use it report format. We can edit in the report. There we have an option in the format.
Yeah. So the report properties, the columns properties, the format option is available. We can utilize that option directly. And why unnecessarily you are creating one separate calculated field here? Correct or not? Unnecessarily you are putting a lot of effort here. Correct or not? Yeah. So usually we please go to report properties, go to columns properties. Correct or not? Go to format option. Okay. See now, numeric constant. Go to see this one, right? Yeah. I can arrange the format directly at the numeric constant itself. Correct or not? Now you can run the report and see the result. The property itself, I can able to arrange the format. Correct or not? Yeah. And we don't want to create one separate object again. Correct or not? Perfect. But this format number option, the properties, column properties are recently released by Workday. On or before, we must and should use the format number calculated field. Okay. So the property level, right? The column property level format option is available very recently. On or before, we must and should use only calculated field. And one more usage will be available format number. Using this format number, you are converting the number field into a text field. See now? Once you apply the format number, it is converted to text field. Correct or not? So this is also one of the advantage. Sometimes you want to convert the number field into a text field. In such cases, this will help. Okay? Yeah. So generally the format number will help us to arrange the specific number format of the field. We can use the format number and this will also helpful for us to converting the number field into the text. Okay, perfect. So that's the format number. The next one is format text. I think you people very well about the format text. So we have three different formats are available there. Uppercase, okay, uppercase, lowercase, and proper case mostly. Correct? And proper case means first letter must be capital, remaining all are small. Uppercase means all are capital letters. Small case means all are small letters. Correct? And yeah. So in your delivered report, what is the default? What is the default format?
Proper
Proper case,
case.
right? First letter must be capital. Correct? And remaining small. Again, see if any space coming, first letter must be capital, remaining all are small. What is your source field? Let's take the full name, right? You can see the form. Okay, lowercase, uppercase, proper case. This is the replace the delimitations. Replace the delimiter means this is your full name, right? Delimiter means in between space is there, correct? And you want to remove that space, then you can utilize this replace the delimiter. Okay, for example, employee first name comma last name. I don't want to in between comma. Sometimes. Okay, how you will replace those delimiters? We can use the replace delimiter. For example, one space is there, replacement is mm, let me see the good example. You can select the position, okay? Position have the comma. Do you see comma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, few fields have some comma. Here see, director, comma, employee benefit, something. Okay, how go to position? That comma is replacing with empty. The comma is replacing with empty. Do you see any comma here? See, president next comma is there. Do you see that comma?
No, sir.
Similarly, director, comma, employee benefits. Do you see any comma here? That's what the delimiter. Okay, delimiter means it is divided. Okay, we have a text. The text is divided with any separators, comma, full stop, single pipe delimiters, uh, single pipes. Correct? So the text is divided into multiple parts by using this delimiter. So generally, those delimitators we can replace using the format text. We can also use one type. Okay, what is that? Replacing the delimiter. Okay, but the main formats are these three. Main formats are, yeah, proper case, uppercase, lower case. Okay, can I take the, okay? Let me take the employee. Okay, let's take the full name, guys. Let's take the full name. I'm looking for lower case. All are small letters will come. Correct, am I'm removing the last one. Okay, I just added to the next to the employee. Okay, employee full name. Do you see that? The format text is coming properly fine or not?
Yes,
These
sir.
all the small letters are. In case you are looking for uppercase, in case you are looking for uppercase, it should come as a uppercase. This we already used in real-time scenario. I will explain one real-time concept. Okay, make sure you people can understand. So generally now most of the companies are paying employee salaries are through transfer to your account. Correct? Now, most of the companies are transferring the employee salaries to your bank account. But before COVID, your first month CTC, your first salary should get through a check because you will join mid of month. Correct? Or not? They will manually calculate it, your payroll, and they will manually give you the check, payroll checks. The check is also designed by Workday. The payroll check is also designed by Workday. The check designing part of the integration case. Okay? And that check printed in Workday itself, and that check has been issued to the employees. Similarly, your full and final settlement. Maybe when you resign, the full and final settlement also you will get after 45 days something, and that will also issued by checks. Okay? But nowadays, most of the things are doing by transaction wise. But how these check prints, okay? Employee reimbursements, employee salaries, sometimes we may pay to the checks, you know. This is the task name, view business form layout. View business form layout, guys. This is the check. You can see the payroll check. This is the check design. Okay, this is my paycheck design. Okay, and for this check design, where it will get the data through custom report only. For this check printer, where it will get the data, yeah, custom report only. You downloaded that check printer. Yeah, this is the bar report. You will get the, Okay, this is the check you downloaded, guys. This will come upcoming class. Just I'm explaining the requirement. Okay. See, this is the check. See in your check, guys. See now. Yeah, you can see this is your check. This is the check. It is going to print it. See, pay to the order of pay name, payment date. What was the currency symbol? What is the payment amount? You can see valid up to 180 days. And this is the amount. Okay, amount in words. Okay, and here you can see your company name and from which bank you are giving this check, from the bank address, company address. Okay, this is the check address. It is printed, check number, everything, correct. And here, which whom we are going to pay, the employee name, correct or not? And see your address, signature, authorized signature, MICR, the code, check code number. Okay, everything we designed, guys. In this example, do you see the employee name here? This is your employee name, right? Pay name. This pay name should also came from the custom where it will come. Where it will come, guys? It's a custom report only. So the employee name here printed proper case by default. But my bank, JP Morgan Chase is my bank. JP Morgan Chase Bank rejected the check and requested to please print the employee name must be capital letters. In such case, what we will do? Hope you understand. Yeah. So very simple. What we did actually, we go to this report. We go to this report. See here you can see pay name. This one. So this we can use one more calculated field. The format text. We will use this calculated. So we will use this delivered field, and we selected the uppercase, and we deleted this field, and whatever calculated field we created, we replaced it. That's it. Then that will come by default be uppercase. Hope you understand. Yeah. And don't think about this one. And don't confuse this one. Okay, don't think about this one. I'm just telling the requirement. The check printing, the employee name printed by defaultly properties. Due to that, my bank rejected the payment, and they mentioned very clearly, they mentioned very clearly the check, okay? The check employee name must be printed as a capital letters. That was their thumb rule. So, how you will arrange in your report this employee name must be a capital letters by using the format text calculated field. We can utilize that. Okay? Oh. And similarly, text length also. Employee names, we may have lengthy names also available. Correct or not? Okay? So, due to that, that employee name is printed to out of this box. Again, bank rejected the page. Employee length maximum exceeded something. So, in such case, what we will do, we have one more calculated field, text length calculated field available. What is that? Text length RR underscore 128 underscore CF underscore text length. You can select the specific field here. For example, you want to see the employee full name length. Yeah, this will return the this text field length. That's it. Okay. Go to your custom report, edit, and this field will give you the length of employee full name. Correct or not? 12. See, now my business would request it, whoever is having the more than 50 characters of length, can you please pull that report? We would like to see employees length whoever is having more than 50 characters. Please pull those employee details. How can I get it? More than 50? We can
Using
use the
filter on
text
the
length
text.
calculated field, and this text length calculated field we can use the filter condition to check greater than 50 characters of employee length. And those employees, right? We should maintain the legal names. We have a legal names, right? Workday does allow to maintain the legal names. Legal name you can maintain the complete name, no issues. But employee level we can change that name less than or equal to 50 characters. Okay, maybe we can take only initial first letter and employee name we can adjust, okay, with the minimized to 50 characters. But employee legal name you have completely. There are two options we have. Employee legal name you can maintain the complete as per your records, but only for the employee level transactions. The employee level name we can override to the up to 50 characters. HR can update the transactions. Okay, this is these two things we adjusted in the check window. Okay, one is for format text and other one is for text. You can see greater than or equal or greater than 50 characters. Correct or not? This you can apply filter condition. Okay, there is one employee have 56, but it's a test environment. In my company, we have 22 members. We have all the 22 people reduces that employee name must be 50 characters. Okay, text length. Okay, so online people, anyone have any doubts? These are all the very basic fundamentals. Okay, so we have three different types of constants: date constant, numeric constant, text constant. Similarly, we have three different type of formats. Okay, date format, number format, and text format. And we also discussed about the text length. Okay, very basic and simple calculated field. And we discussed where exactly use case of the text length and format text only in the real time. But when it comes to be remaining things, okay, we'll discuss upcoming classes. I think format date you very well. Whenever business looking for the specific format date, we can use a format date. But remaining things we'll see upcoming classes because these calculated fields are, especially for the constant calculated fields, are useful for the one calculated field or other calculated field use case. It will use. Okay, upcoming classes you will get more clarity where exactly in the real time we use these functions. Okay, yeah, perfect. Guys, we'll go to the next. We'll go to the a date calculated fields. Okay, and employees, mainly the HR system is nothing but employee data, correct? Employees data, mostly we talk about the dates. What employee hired date, when the job requisition created date, when job requisition posted date, when candidate applied the date, correct? What was the target hire date? What is the employee hire date? What is the employee promotion, transfer, job changes, correct? And if you talk about anything in the HR transactions, we always speak about the date. Okay. So next we will go to the date calculated fields and it's very useful. Okay. So because most of the HR transactions we talk about the always dates. So we have a six different date calculated field functions we have. Okay. In that, so bill date we are going to share the recorded session bill date. Okay. So please go through this bill date. And this Saturday, Sunday, I will check this how many people are able to complete. Okay, only one calculated field I am going to share. So we'll share the recorded session along with the today's class. So build date, please go through the recorded session and complete it. Apart from this build date, you will also get the how to configure the alerts and how you are going to schedule the jobs. Okay, the schedule jobs, and alerts and schedule future process. As part of this build date, we also explain this small topic. Okay, so only one specific calculated field recorded session. Please go through this, and I would like to see how many people able to understand this recorded session and how many people are able to successfully complete it. So we would like to see that. Okay, take time. I will verify it on coming Saturday. Okay. So guys, whenever you are creating any transactions, okay, always you take this RR, right? Instead of RR, you can take your name, correct? Any shortcut name, anything. 128 CF. If you are creating the build date, take the build date like this. Once you practice it, once you understand, once you practice in the tenant, you completed this build date now. You take the snap, okay? You take the picture of the calculated field, share the group, okay? Just complete it. I will just go and verify those details, okay? You can just share the details in the group, common group, okay? Make sure I can review immediately. So I will let you know if anything is mistakes, okay? If everything fine, I can respond back. Okay? So let's do this. Guys, this is very important calculated field, but I want to see how many people are able to understand the existing logic. Okay, how many people will complete it? Let's see that. So I will check the data on Saturday, which each IP address, how many people completed successfully. Okay. If people are getting difficult, no issues. We'll retake this session at Saturday. Okay. Online people, anyone have any doubts, guys?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay, then. Chalo. So we will catch up tomorrow. Okay. At same time, guys. But please complete this build date as soon as possible. Once you complete it, please share the details in the group, class group. Okay.